sentence. I forgot what I was about to say. All of our plans and what we thought was normality has faded away. But I think it's through time that we built something new. Now that we've been forced to stop, to look and reflect at the damage we've done. It depends on us like it or not. We've been blinded by money, consumed by a creed, in a system that can't be sustained. If we strive for connection to each other, ourselves, and the earth, we'll change our selfish ways. We see violence as normal. We've grown numb to each other's pain, lacking in kindness when we have had our fill. We'll continue to take, but I think it's through time that we built something new. Now that we've been forced to stop, to look and reflect at the damage we've done. It depends on us like it or not. We've been blinded by money, consumed by a creed, in a system that can't be sustained. If we strive for connection to each other, ourselves, and the earth, we'll change our selfish ways. We'll change our selfish ways.